A game of chicken. A game of chicken was originally played between two cars, each driving head-on towards the other. At some point, one of the drivers would turn away to avoid a collision and possible death, and would thus lose the game. Therefore, it is a game or a challenge, especially a dangerous one, with the loser being the first person to yield or to lose their nerve. For example, the auction for the waterfront property essentially became a game of chicken between two rich business people. Or, the feud between Elaine and Sarah became a game of chicken. Neither wanted to back down for the sake of family harmony.